Hey guys, how's it going? This is Frankie once again. We have another vending machine gun safe. This one is a special edition. This is a NASCAR edition. Dell Earnhardt. This is a Coca-Cola machine. As you can see on the side, it says Coca-Cola. This machine has been fully restored. It's got brand new lights, been repainted. It's got all the flavors. In memory of a legend, Dell Earnhardt. Great looking machine. So go to the inside, you put the key in, you turn it, it'll unlock. Pop it open, turn to the left, pull it open. There you go, guys. Fully carpeted, fully adjustable railing on both sides. The carpet is actually Velcro, so you can add any Velcro items to them. Got enough storage on the right. Lights are totally removable. You can remove them and place them anywhere in the safe. The rack fits 18 guns. Got enough storage, like I said, on the right, and storage at the bottom. Machine has holes that you can bolt down into the ground if necessary and wanted. Once again, guys, this is a Dell Earnhardt Dell Earnhardt machine. If you have any questions or would like to purchase a machine or this machine, you're more than welcome to email me. My email is frankietorresbass@yahoo.com. That is frankietorresbass@yahoo.com. frankietorresbass@yahoo.com. Thank you.